Some are lost and some remain. All these places have their moment. People and friends I still can't recall. Some are dead and some are living. But in my life I love them all. Friends and loved ones, there is no one compares with you. These memories lose their meaning when I think of love. There's something new, though I know I'll never lose affection for people and friends. I know I often stop and think about them, but in my life I live you more. Soon we'll come to the end of life's journey. And perhaps we'll never meet anymore till we gather in heaven's bright city, far away on that beautiful shore. If we never meet again this side of heaven, as we struggle through this world and its strife, there's a lovely place somewhere in heaven, by a beautiful river.